But Jack Craig, the best overall. Keith Laws in hot blue. There you go.
Wesley, I'm down here rounding up Jason Smoot.
Yes, get him. Ladies and gentlemen, we are done with the truck in the mud bog, but we have some special extra entertainment. Jason Smoot, promoter of the Antioch Speedway, is racing Jack Craig in the mud. And this is going to be fun. I'm just glad that I'm not doing it.
There's a radio right there that Hank had.
Well. Oh, I hear Jason trash talking. They're trash talking each other.
Jason Smoot says he's riding on my back.
He's riding on your back.
I don't think I carry him that far.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, this is going to be fun.
Oh, Wesley, we do have one more truck going to take a practice run.
All right. Y'all quit stalling things. We want to see y'all race in the mud. So one more truck is going to make a practice run is what we're being told. And who is that going to be making a practice run, Jack Craig? Do we even know? Racing returns here. Antioch Speedway. Saturday night, September 1st. Featuring the Blue Ridge Outlaw Late Model Series and the Back to School Bash. Blue Ridge Outlaws got a doubleheader next weekend in the Carolinas and Georgia. Going to be at Tri-County Racetrack in Brasstown, North Carolina on Friday night, August the 24th. Saturday, August the 25th, they will be in action at Blue Ridge Motorsports Park in Georgia. And what a beautiful facility that is. All right, got an extra pre-run for you here. Wow, he's deaking it. He is, wow, deep in the mud, and gets it out. Good deal. All right. Okay. Any more trucks making passes is the question. I think we're ready for these two hooligan men to go at it. We're ready to see this now. Jack Craig, the voice of the Blue Ridge Outlaw Late Model Series, taking on Jason Smoot. Where is Jason at? Jack, what's your location? What's your 20?
We're right down here at the starting line. Me and Jason, we're right here. Got his pant legs rolled up. He's got his shoes, his socks off.
I want to get Jason's thoughts. Let's interview Jason real quickly.
I want to see some video of this. Somebody video this. I want to see it floating around on Facebook.
Somebody video this. Somebody go on Facebook Live. Hey, Pam, go on Facebook Live if you can on the Antioch Speedway Facebook page. And okay, I think the truck's going to make another pass. He's going to make one more pass, is what I've been told. One more pass remains, and then that'll be it. $200 racing in the mud between Jason Smoot and Jack Craig. That's going to be fun coming up next, the main event. As we got one more pass left to go here for this truck. Somebody video this. And, well, oh no. Come on, brother. Get on that throttle. Get in and out of it. There you go. Once you clear the first 100 feet, you're clear selling from there, is what it looks like. Jason Smoot and the crew are going to have to do some real cleanup on those sponsorship walls.
As I said earlier, Wes, I think I'm already at a disadvantage with Jason Smoot down here doing the track prep earlier.
Why is that? Why do you feel that way?
We should have had a neutral party down here doing that.
But,
He might have fixed my lane where I can't win.
Oh, wow. It looks like you guys are going to be on the same course here. Ladies and gentlemen, pull out your phones, video this, and tag the new Antioch Speedway on Facebook. I want to see video of this. This is going to be hilarious.
All right, Wesley, we're getting ready to go. You count us down, Wesley. I'm going to be an in-race reporter.
You're going to actually announce while you're running at the same time? Is that what you're telling me?
I'm going to try it.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we are set for the main event. $200 winner take all. In the blue jeans and red shirt, he is the promoter of the new Antioch Speedway and the Blue Ridge Outlaw Late Models from Elkin, North Carolina. Give it up to Jason Smoot. He is the voice of the Blue Ridge Outlaw Late Model Series, and he's been working trackside with me this afternoon from Mud in the Valley. Ladies and gentlemen, from Rutherford to North Carolina, Jack Craig. We are going to count it down. $200 to the winner. Are you videoing? You're videoing. All right, here we go. We got somebody videoing from the tower. We got somebody videoing all around. On your mark. Get set. Go! Oh, my goodness. Jason and Jack. Oh, my God. They're running into Jason's out in front. Jason's out in front. Are you kidding me? Jason Smoot. But here comes Jack Craig on the inside. Jack Craig. Jack sideways. He got sideways and lost it. Jason Smoot. Jason Smoot. Jason Smoot wins. All right. Jason Smoot is your winner. Jack. Come on, Jack. Jack, my infield reporter. What's going on, brother? What happened to you?
You know, we had a good... Trying to catch my breath here. And... I don't know, cut a right tire down there.
You cut a right tire? Is that what you said?
About mid-track.
Let me see that. Let me see the video. Woo. Hang on a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, we thank you all for coming out to Antioch Speedway. The next event will be September 1st, the Blue Ridge Outlaw Late Model Series and the Back to School Bash. On behalf of Jason and Pam Smoot, for Jeff Putnam, for Jack Craig, I'm Wesley Outland. God bless you all. Thanks for coming out tonight. I'm dead. Wow. I want to see the video of that.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. Take a break. Hot air balloon at the door space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along. happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. I said, tell you now, bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. I said, because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm happy. Clap along